SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to change Bluetooth name on iPhone. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you would like to change your iPhone's Bluetooth name so that it's different when you're pairing it with something like CarPlay or with a computer, then you can do so by opening the Settings app, scrolling down, and choosing the General option. You can then tap About at the top of this screen, and then you can tap on Name at the top of this screen. Now you can just tap the X here and delete the current name, and then you can type in the new name. And once you're done, you can tap the About button to go back, and you'll see that your iPhone's Bluetooth name has been updated with the information that you just entered.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.